Our days are usually spent rushing forward, answering notifications, hitting deadlines, moving as fast as possible. But there is a distinct power in choosing to slow things down. This guide lays out the 12 precise steps of Tai Chi walking. Today we will break down this entire routine. Notice the right column. Every motion serves a dual purpose. Repeating this sequence improves physical stability, while simultaneously building mental focus and calming the nervous system. Before we begin step 1, take a moment to prepare. You will need about 10 feet of clear flat floor space. Wear loose clothing that lets you bend your knees, and either go barefoot or wear flat-soled shoes. Creating this quiet space and following a strict 12-step framework is deliberate. It takes an everyday action, walking, and turns it into an active moving meditation. Step 1 is commencing. Stand tall and relax your mind. Let your shoulders drop. Then begin shifting your weight slightly from side to side to prepare for the first movement. Step 2 is lifting the knee. Shift your weight to your back leg and slowly raise your front knee. Keep your torso perfectly upright, don't lean forward or backward. This introduces a mechanical rule, complete weight transfer. You must shift 100% of your weight over your back leg before the front foot leaves the floor. Lifting the leg prematurely shifts your center of gravity forward, your structure breaks, and you fall. Step 3 is stepping forward with a heel strike. Gently place your heel on the floor first, rather than the flat of your foot. This absorbs the impact and protects your knee joints. Step 4 is the brush knee and step. As you move forward, bring your trailing foot close past your lead knee, creating a smooth gliding motion along the floor. Nailing these first 4 steps is essential. They build the solid physical base you need to stay grounded once we add the upper body techniques. Now we add the arms. Step 5 is ward off. As you step forward, raise your lead hand in front of your chest, creating a gentle curved defensive shape. Step 6 is roll back. While continuing your slow walk, roll both arms backward toward your body in a large circular motion. Step 7 is push. Turn your open palms outward and extend them forward as you step, pressing gently against an unseen resistance. Step 8 is pull back. Maintain your stepping rhythm and smoothly draw your hands straight back toward the center of your chest. Notice there are no stops between these motions. This is continuous flow. The exact moment the push ends generates the momentum to begin pulling back. Maintaining the synchronization between your breath and the cyclic arm movements requires significant cognitive effort. This constant adjustment anchors your attention to the physical requirements of the present moment. Step 9 introduces asymmetrical tension with the single whip. You extend one flat palm forward while the hand trailing behind you pulls back, with your fingers pinched together into a beak shape. Step 10 is cloud hands. Here, you transition into side stepping, while your arms move in large sweeping circles across your body. To do this correctly, let your eyes softly follow whichever hand is tracing the top of the circle. This naturally keeps your cervical spine aligned with your shoulders. Step 11 is separating the horse's mane. Take a diagonal step forward and part your hands vertically. One hand sweeps up, the other presses down. Finally, step 12 is the closing. Slowly bring your feet together side by side. Lower your hands to your waist and stop your movement entirely. The closing sequence captures the generated energy of the practice. This deliberate pause allows the heart rate to settle and returns the nervous system to a baseline state of calm. This completes all 12 steps you just finished. You have successfully walked through the entire sequence. Take a second to audit how your body feels right now. Think if your posture is a bit more upright, if your legs feel firmly planted on the floor, and if your thoughts are moving a little slower. To turn these temporary effects into long-term physiological changes, try integrating this 12-step walk into your daily routine. Lasting physical and mental balance requires consistent repetition. The benefits emerge through the ongoing daily habit of moving through the world with the deliberate care.